Where will the future take us? What does it look like?
Tomorrow?
Next week?
Next year?
At AstraZeneca, we focus on the future of healthcare. Our mission is to make a real difference to people's health by creating great medicines.
Hello everyone! Time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. Medicines are of subordinate importance because of their nature, as they can only work symptomatically. Because of our hectic schedules, work pressures, and according to our today's lifestyle, medicine became a basic necessity of our life. Today, we are going to talk about world's fifth largest pharmaceutical company, AstraZeneca, measured by 2009 prescription drug sales and has operation in over 100 countries. Being a British, Swedish multinational pharmaceutical and biologics company in London, the company was founded in 1999 through the merger of the Sweden-based Astra AB and the UK-based Zeneca group.
At AstraZeneca, we've already taken some great strides forward towards tackling these challenges. We have over 70 years' experience and a range of medicines designed to combat some of the world's most serious diseases.
We have over 60,000 people worldwide dedicated to bringing these medicines to patients safely and quickly.
But we know we can't do it alone. The challenges are too great.
So we work closely with all those involved in healthcare to understand their needs and perspectives, and join forces, sharing ideas, skills and resources with one common goal: improved health.
AstraZeneca is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies and had a market capitalization of approximately £39.5 billion on 23rd December 2011, which is measured as the 10th largest of any company. According to 2009 fiscal year, the sales of the company was $32.8 billion, giving a profit of $7.5 billion. AstraZeneca's core of highly successful drugs represent one of the youngest and most diversified portfolios in the pharmaceutical industry. Despite this, the firm had also faced many challenges from mid to long term. Since 2010, AstraZeneca's prospects are decidedly dim, despite a 28% increase in research and development, on which the company has spent $5 billion in 2007 and another $5 billion was spent in 2008. AstraZeneca has failed to produce any truly groundbreaking drugs to complement its robust portfolio. This problem was compounded by several pipeline setbacks afflicting the company. 3 of AstraZeneca's most promising drugs were stopped in phase 2 and 3 testing due to health concerns. When a drug enters phase 2, it is determined safe enough for experimental uses among a few hundred patients. Phase 3 testing involves calculating the risk and reward ratio of a potential drug. The company's mission was to make the most meaningful difference to health through great medicines that bring benefit to patients and add value for stakeholders and societies. Company believes that the most value-creating strategy for AstraZeneca is to get focused, integrated, innovation-driven, and global and a prescription-based biopharmaceutical business. As a global biopharmaceutical company, they market their medicine worldwide to doctors and other healthcare professionals and to those who pay for healthcare.
It's a really fun job. Your primary responsibility as a pharmaceutical sales specialist, and what I did day in and day out, was visit physicians and other healthcare providers to talk to them about the benefits of AstraZeneca's products. Before I was ever thrown out into the field, I got to go through sales training. Every step of the way, I worked with my district sales manager, who was able to guide me through the responsibilities of the job, how to be successful. Pharmaceutical sales is such a unique job. Everything we do every day is about making a difference in the lives of others.
AstraZeneca is committed at providing employees with the tools and opportunities necessary to help them harness their own ingenuity. They offer flexible working practices, unique opportunities for self-improvement through education, the freedom to lead, initiate and lend ideas in an open forum, whatever it takes to create a satisfying and entrepreneurial place to work. The major competitors of AstraZeneca are Pfizer USA, GlaxoSmithKline, Merck & Company and Johnson & Johnson. They are given some names of AstraZeneca product: anesthetics, cardiovascular, gastrointestinal, infection, neuroscience and oncology. In second quarter of 2010, AstraZeneca reported its sales of $8.18 billion, an increase of 2.8% from second quarter of 2009. The company reported net income for the quarter of $2.1 billion, a 22% growth. The increased sales were largely driven by strong sales in emerging markets that overweight declining revenue in the United States. The company's key brands of Crestor, Seroquel and Symbicort performed well. Crestor's sales increased by 23% to $1.43 billion. Symbicort saw a 20% gain to $664 million, while Seroquel's revenue reached $1.35 billion, an 8% increase. AstraZeneca plc, one of the world's leading pharmaceutical companies, has identified the University of Manchester as a key partner which shares the vision of delivering safe and effective medicines to patients. Well-being in AstraZeneca is one of a broad range of initiatives aimed at promoting health, safety and welfare. In the UK, this includes a variety of support activities that covers all employees. The program has involved both standalone projects and improved management of health associated with ongoing activities and making costs difficult to quantify. However, this is a fraction of the savings from a lower absence rate that estimated to save £5 million per year in the UK when compared with CBI data. So friends, it is clear that the pharmaceutical industry is not a joke by any stretch of the imagination, doing enough to ensure that the poor have access to adequate medical care. Thank you and good luck.